flatbread pizza in about 1 minute. So let's start with some Smart Balance. You know I love Smart Balance. So we're just gonna butter our pan here with the Smart Balance. And there are my vegetables that I'm gonna put on my pizza: tomatoes, green peppers, and onions. I didn't cut them up that well. I was really hungry. I was trying to rush and make this real quick. And a black bean burger. I know that was quick, right? You'll see it again. A black bean burger. So I'm just buttering my pan here. And it's good vegetarian dish too for people who are vegetarian or keto, because it's low carb. It's not no carb. Some people say no carbs with keto, but anyway, there's all of my lovely stuff right there. There's my flatbread. I cut it in half. I used the other half yesterday, so that's why it look all weird. I just tore it. And I'm gonna cheese this up with some mozzarella. See, there's some mozzarella magic. I'll add some more mozzarella to that. Just a little bit more. And then I'm gonna put my vegetables over. Look at that. It's so cute. It's so pretty. So pretty. Add more mozzarella on top of that. And then you have like you do a little nice pizza. Just delicious looking pizza. Wait till it all melts, and then you're gonna go ahead and transfer it to a plate. Look at that. You could just lift it up like a pizza. These toppings don't fall off. The green pepper a little loose back there, but it did not fall off. Oh my god, it's so delicious. Thanks for watching.
I don't get that many likes, but I get a hell of a lot of views, though. A shitload of views. I think the views are more important than the fucking likes.